Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today's an unboxing, which is normal. That's what we do all the time. And it is from The Box. Now these guys have been killing it lately. This is a $25 a month box. It generally has a lot of indie brands in it. But you guys, it's amazing. I'm actually grandfathered in at $20 a month because I started getting this in the beginning. I think I got the second box that it was released. And I've been a member ever since. So, you guys, this is catching up to Boxy and Ipsy. So, I didn't see any spoilers for this month. So, I'm excited to see what's in here. So, without further ado, let's get into the September 2020 unboxing of The Box by Fashionsta. Alright, let's get this cut so I can get into it and see the goodies. Alright, when you open it up, we have our little paper, and it is wrapped nicely in tissue paper, and they have the little black squigglies in there, which I don't like. And September, we unite as one global beauty community. We welcome you to Borderless Beauty. This month we are celebrating and exploring the beauty of our planet as one global beauty community. Included in this box, we have seven incredible made with love products from Uganda, Ethiopia, Germany, France, Australia, India, and Italy. We are uniting as one for a loving September to remember. Are you ready? Let's explore our beautiful globe together. That's really cool. Let's do it. So let's pull the first thing out. And this is a mascara. And, oof, and I just threw it. What are you? You are yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to say this stuff right, but Mco Beauty. It is from Australia. Ultra Curl 4-in-1 Gloss Mascara, valued at $22. A multitasking mascara that perfectly separates, lifts, and enhances lashes from root to tip with a high gloss finish. With a special wand that grips even the shortest lashes with an advanced lash lifting formula. Cruelty-free and PETA certified. Okay, so that's cool. Full-size mascara. Next item. I like that there's 7 items in this box because I think there's generally only 5. So next item. Oh, these are going to be hard to read. I have a feeling. And this is Nourish Mantra. Bring me the horizon mantra. That's what that word reminds me of now. So it is from India, and it is Rani Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser, valued at $18. Made in India, an exotic clay blend with skin refining ingredients whipped into a buttery soft base. This cleanser is part indulgence and part fun. Absorbs excess oils and removes pollution particles, deep-seated impurities, and dead skin cells, giving you clean, fresh, flawless skin. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, and sulfate-free. Okay, not mad at that. And it is 2.36 fluid ounces. Moving on, it looks like we have a lip. Is this a lip liner? Let's see, where are you? Even, where is Even? It says Even, right? We Makeup. Okay, so this is We Makeup. This is from Italy. Love products made in Italy. Liquid lipstick and lip pencil, valued at $27.50. A highly pigmented and long-lasting lip pencil and lipstick for a highly pigmented and long-lasting lip pencil and lipstick for effortless makeup looks from Italy. Enriched with coconut oil, vitamin E, gamma orzonol, and spherical silica for endless comfort wearing, vegan, and cruelty-free. I'm curious to see how it's a liquid lip and a liner. Come out of there. I don't know how it's a liquid lip. It is just a liner. It is a pencil liner, but it's very nice, very smooth. But I don't know where they get liquid from. Anyway, so there is that. Next item is, it's got those little black things all over it. Terra Mars is France, and it is, oh goodness, Irreverence Nourishing Shampoo. Oh, I like getting shampoos and hair products. Valued at $22. Regenerates, moisturizes, repairs. The organic nutrient-rich shampoo from France is formulated with coffee extract, rosemary leaves, aloe vera, and almond protein, leaving your hair soft, silky. It cleans, refreshes, and allows hair to regain its radiance and suppleness. Great for all hair types, vegan and cruelty-free. Definitely excited about this product. The value of this box is $141.50, you guys. Just saying. Oh, here's the liquid lipstick. Okay. Oh, and I didn't tell you the shade. The shades are, oh, it's Even. Okay, so that's Even, and then this is If. Okay, so let's look at that. So technically, there's 8 products in here. Oh, I like the packaging. So there is the lipstick. I really like the packaging of that. And then, oh, it's got, oh, the embossment has We written all over it. It's so pretty. And it smells good too. It's definitely more orangey, but they go together perfectly. I like this. I do. I like that. Okay, moving on. We have 2 items left. This one is 54 Thrones butter, and let's see. Uganda vanilla and Ethiopian honey beauty butter for $24. Fusing the depth of West Africa with the allure of East Africa, the majestic blend of Uganda and Guyana, I don't know how to say that. Shea butter sets the foundation for luxurious, creamy, and silky smooth African body butter. Can be used on your face or body, handcrafted, paraben and sulfate-free, cruelty-free, GMO-free, and toxin-free. Oh, that's cool. So there is what the product looks like, and it is 1.7 ounces, 70 ounces. Okay. All right. The last product in the box looks like it's a palette. So here we go. Let's open this up and see what this is. All right, before we open, oh, this is from Zoeva. So this is a palette. Okay, so Zoeva from Germany, offline eyeshadow palette valued at $28. A precious and beautiful selection of 10 highly pigmented mattes and shimmer eyeshadow shades. This fascinating palette from Germany offers a serene getaway experience, from sandy beige tones and tropical turquoise to spirited reds of exotic flowers. I'm excited to see what this looks like. I do not have any Zoeva palettes. I've never tried any, so this is a first for me. Oh yes, I will definitely get some use out of this. So here are what the shades look like. They are kind of muted except for those reds, but I'm definitely excited. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch these out and see what we're working with. They are nice and creamy. So we'll just go here and we'll do one swipe swatches. Very nice. I'm excited for this blue. It doesn't have any names on there, so I don't know what the names of the shades are, but they are swatching out very nice. That blue is nice. That purple even looks nice. And then the 2 reds right there. Beautiful. The pigment is beautiful, you guys. That's going to be a nice, like, easy wear palette for sure. The box killed it this month, you guys. I really liked the theme. I'm really excited to try a Zoeva palette because, like I said, I haven't got one yet. So let's recap our box. We have the palette. We have a body butter. We have the lipstick and liner, which got me. We have a shampoo. I'm excited for that. We have the clay cleanser, and we also have the mascara. You guys, this box knocked it out of the park. Watch out, Ipsy. Watch out, BoxyCharm, because the box is coming up for you. I really, really enjoyed this box. I think they put a lot of effort into that, and I really, really like the theme. Like I said, very amazing. I love it. So thank you guys so much for being here. Please let me know down below what you thought of the box. I mean, you know my thoughts. So leave that down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.